My name is Pavel Prokopic and I'm the principal investigator on the nested cinematic reality research, but also as a filmmaker I've written and directed the film, which is the content for the nested cinema experience.
Hey, my name's Jane Sayer and I'm running the flexible production design and some of the technology for the nested cinematic reality project.
So I'm Roger McKinley. I'm the creative technology and content manager here at the University of Salford.
Nested cinema is all about orchestrating technology in order to create a new form of cinematic immersion. So it's all about bringing together traditional screens and 360 VR in order to create atmosphere that is inherently cinematic and to create, to break the boundary between the real physical space and the virtual and the narrative space and make them all one immersive experience.
This, to me, very much is an evolution, a jump, in fact, quite a large jump in the evolution of how we think about the experience of watching content.
You enter the world of the film, so in this case, Vera's den. And in here we've got the atmospheric lighting, we've got the surround sound system, all of that to sort of place you within Vera's world physically to feel like you really were closed off from any environment that might be outside of the door that you've just come from.
Vera's Not Alone is a short film that has been created and developed specifically for the nested cinema experience. Vera's Not Alone is a short film in one sense, but also it's a short film like no other. The visitor will experience the film in a more deeper immersive sense. They will experience actually being in the world.
The visitor, the audience, has a way of experiencing this story through numerous different methods and ways. So this nested, layered sort of cinematic reality.
They will experience immersion into content at a new level, and a level I think that certainly I've not seen before.
The film explores the level of alienation between people that in society that could be one ways in which the causes of an apocalypse could be framed. Although nested cinema is underpinned by research into new ways in which technologies can be utilized for producing and consuming cinematic content, the nested cinema experience, Vera's Not Alone, the film, can really be appreciated and experienced by anybody. We want people to come and see it and enjoy it for themselves and enjoy it for what it is.